With another keyboard unboxing. I know it sounds like it's a problem, but it's not. I mean, it's not, I promise. And there's a real reason for this one. Like, it's legit. I need it. I mean, I really need it because I want a keyboard at work. And some people don't like the clicky clacky sound like I do, like I'm obsessed with. So I bought the AULA F108 because it is supposed to be a softer key tap. So, you know, it's necessary, it's needed. So let's take a look at it. AULA F108 Pro, necessary for work. They really do such a great job packaging. I have to admit, these keyboards come really nice. Voila. Is she not the cutest thing ever? She's so pretty, the gradient blue, and it is softer. Still gonna drive people at work crazy, probably, but at this point, it is what it is. I'm obsessed, guys. This also has the LCD screen, and it has the knob where you can change the lighting, background colors, and effects. It is the cutest thing ever. I love it. I'm gonna connect it to my computer now and test it out, get it all ready to go for Monday morning. I know I always say I'm in love with them, like every single one. See the others back there? But I am. So in love. Till next time.